Hey guys, I'm back. It's a quick one today. I'm just going to review the top 4 budgeting apps for everyday people based on their features, their ease of use, their cost, and the customer reviews. And I'm also going to share some fun facts and tips about each app that you might not know. So without further ado, let's get started. So the top 4 budgeting apps for everyday people are Mint, YNAB, Emma, and Snoop. That's it. Goodbye. Oh, no, I'm kidding. Let's take a look at each one in more detail. The Mint is one of the oldest and most popular budgeting apps out there. It was launched in 2006 and acquired by Intuit in 2009. It has 20 million users and is rated 4.8 out of 5 stars on the App Store. Mint lets you link multiple accounts such as your bank account, your credit card, your loans, investments, and even your PayPal account, and it automatically categorizes your transactions and shows you how much you spend on different things each month. It also lets you create budgets for different categories and alerts you when you're close to or over your limit. Mint also has some other cool features like checking your credit score for free, managing your bill payments and reminders, setting your own saving goals and tracking your progress against them, getting personalized tips and advice based on your spending habits, and accessing a wide range of articles and resources on personal finance topics. Mint is also free to use, but it does have some drawbacks. And these are showing you ads for financial products and services that may not be relevant or suitable to you. Having some issues with syncing and updating on some accounts. It's also not available outside of the US and Canada, and this is a biggie for those of us who live in the UK. Fun fact, Mint was founded by Aaron Petzer, who was inspired by his own frustration with managing his finance. He sold Mint to Intuit for $170 million when he was only 27 years old. Next up is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. And that's exactly what this app helps you do. YNAB is based on a simple but powerful philosophy: give every dollar a job. This means that you assign every dollar of your income to a specific category or purpose, such as bills, savings, debt payments, or fun money. YNAB follows a zero-based budgeting method, which means that your income minus expenses equals 0. This way you don't have any money left over or unaccounted for. You can also create rules for your budget, such as rolling over any unused funds to the next month or saving from larger expenses over time. YNAB also has other cool features like linking multiple accounts or entering transactions manually, syncing your budget across multiple devices and sharing it with your partner or family, accessing real-time reports and graphs on your income, expenses, net worth, and more, getting live support from friendly and knowledgeable staff, joining a vibrant community of fellow YNABers who share their stories, tips, and challenges. YNAB is not free to use, but it does offer a 34-day free trial and a 100% money-back guarantee. It costs $11.99 a month or £84 a year, which works out to about £7 a month. However, many users claim that YNAB pays for itself by helping them save more money than they spend on the app. But some drawbacks of YNAB are a steep learning curve and requiring some time and effort to set up and maintain your budget. It doesn't have a built-in credit score feature or bill payment service, and it's not compatible with some banks or accounts outside of the US. Fun fact, YNAB was founded by Jesse Metcham, who was a student at Brigham Young University when he created the first version of the app in 2004. He needed a way to manage his money while supporting his growing family. He later turned YNAB into a successful business that now employs over 100 people around the world. Next up, we have Emma. Now, Emma is a relatively new budgeting app that was launched in 2018 in the UK and expanded to the US and Canada later. It has over 1 million users and is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars on the App Store. Emma is designed to help you avoid overdraft, helps you cancel wasteful subscriptions, track debt, and save money. It connects to your bank account, your credit cards, loans, investments, and shows you a clear overview of your finances. It also analyzes your spending patterns and gives you personalized feedback and recommendations. Emma also has some other cool features like categorizing your transactions and creating custom budgets for each category. It shows you how much money you have left until payday and how much you can save and spend each day. It can detect and cancel subscriptions you don't use, and it can compare your spending habits with other Emma users, giving you a score based on your financial health. It also integrates well with other apps and services such as Coinbase, Chip, PensionBee, and Plum. Emma is free to use for the basic features, but also offers a premium subscription for £4.99 a month or £35 a year. Premium subscription gives you access to more features like creating custom categories and subcategories for your transaction, exporting your data to CSV or PDF files, and splitting transactions with your friends and family. It also unlocks more insights and reports on your finances and gets you early access to new features and updates. Some of the drawbacks to the Emma app are having some bugs and glitches with the app or the connection to some accounts, not supporting some banks or accounts in some countries, and it has a limited customer service and support team. Fun fact for Emma, it was founded by two Italian entrepreneurs, Edoardo Moreni and Antonio Marino, who met at university in Manchester. They named the app after Emma Watson, the actress who played Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter movies. They say they wanted to create an app that was smart, helpful, and friendly, just like her. The last on the list is Snoop, which is an app that connects to your bank account and analyzes your spending habits, income, bills, and goals. It then gives you personalized insights and tips on how to improve your financial situation. For example, it can tell you if you're paying too much for a subscription service, or if you can switch to a cheaper energy provider, or if you can save money by shopping at a different supermarket. Snoop also lets you set budgets and track your progress towards your savings goal. You can also see how your spending compares to other people, and here are some of the pros and cons of using Snoop. Pros are that it's free to download and use, it's secure and protects your data with encryption and biometric authentication, it's easy to set up, and it links to your bank account. It's smart and it learns your behavior and preferences. It's also helpful and gives you actionable advice and nudges. It's also friendly and has a fun and engaging tone of voice. Some of the cons are that it may not support all banks and financial institutions, and it may not be able to access some of your transactions or accounts due to technical issues. It may not always give you accurate or relevant insights or tips depending on your situation or goal. Overall, I think Snoop is a great app for anyone who wants to take control of their money and make smarter decisions. An interesting fact about all of these apps is that they use something called open banking, which allows customers to track their spending across multiple providers. Currently, there are over 2 million customers taking advantage of this technology. When connecting to your bank, the apps use 256-bit encryption, and it never sees or stores your login details. Good to know. So there you have it. The top 4 budgeting apps for everyday people. Mint, YNAB, Emma, and Snoop are all great options that can help you manage your money better and achieve your financial goals. So which budgeting app are you going to try? Let me know in the comment sections below. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share it with your friends and family. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. It occurs to me that I've been mispronouncing YNAB all the way through this video. Sorry about that. It's YNAB. You need a budget, obviously.